Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I have my BOXYCHARM Premium for the month of May ready to jump into and unbox. After how disappointed I was in my base box, I kind of just pushed this aside and didn't even want to open it. And now that I've opened it, I'm honestly not as disappointed as I was with the base box, and I'm pretty optimistic for the items inside. So if you want to see all of the items in my May Premium BOXYCHARM box, make sure to keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe because I upload every other day. That'll be the best way to stay up to date on all the fun stuff I'm posting. So if you want to jump into this box with me to unbox the BOXYCHARM Premium box, stay tuned. All right, I know I'm pretty late in the month, but after how discouraged I was with my base box, I just didn't even want to touch this. I was that annoyed. But once I opened it and got into it, I'm actually pretty happy with most of the items in here. What I will say is I'm also going to link a video up above with some June spoilers because we're already halfway done with May, so everyone else is talking about June. Theme of the box is Super Bloom, just like the base box, and this is variation 201. So definitely a lot of different variations this month. First item out of the box comes from the brand Elemis. This is the Elemis Superfood Midnight Facial, a prebiotic overnight sleeping cream that leaves dry, thirsty skin feeling silky soft, radiant, and replenished, with moisture upon waking. Infused with superfood camu camu, banana flour, and cocoa nib extract, this vitamin and mineral-rich formula nourishes the skin and minimizes visible signs of fatigue. Now this does retail for $50, and with all your skincare, there's going to be that little open jar on there, which says after you open it, it will expire in about 12 months, which I currently have like 3 open moisturizers. So I'm going to put this on the side and I will try this once I'm ready to try a new moisturizer. Next, a product I'm very familiar with, and I like it, but I don't love it. This is the Cover FX Gripping and Firming Primer, an alcohol-free gel primer that visibly firms and creates a glass-like finish and grips makeup for all-day wear. The unique formula creates instantly tight skin for a smoother looking complexion and improved makeup wear, vegan and cruelty-free, retailing for $38. Now, this was really hyped up and quite viral a few years ago, and I will say, this one's better. The Milk Hydro Grip Primer is more hydrating, more gripping, and more smoothing. I will say it's not firming per se, but I still like it more than the gripping primer. I've used this extensively, and I'm just not really a huge fan of it personally. It's not a bad primer, it's just not the best primer. Now, Cover FX does have some great primers. I used to love their green one, the Oil Control Shine Control Primer, but I don't love the gripping one. Next, from Avrony, this is the Balance Restoring Serum, retailing for $60. This gentle, alcohol-free serum clarifies your skin, removes toxins, and minimizes the appearance of pores and dark spots while restoring your natural moisture barrier. Formulated with clarifying, calming ingredients like tea tree oil, cucumber extract, chamomile flowers, and witch hazel, made without mineral oil, parabens, sulfates, irritants, synthetic fragrances, or animal cruelty, again retailing for $60. I'm actually really excited to try this. I have been following this brand for quite some time. The packaging is really quite pretty, and it's very liquidy, so they're not adding any silicones or dimethicones to it to make it thick, and it is a toning serum. Now, I haven't done my skincare yet, so this says to shake the bottle, dispense into your hands, and press onto the skin. So I'm going to do that just now. With how red my skin normally goes when I try on a new product like this, I'm actually really happy with how that turned out. I don't feel very red. This is one of those products that you're going to have to use over and over to really see those results. But so far, so good. Next, from LaRousse Beauty, this is going to be the 3-piece contour brush set in a Serviced by limited edition pouch. A flat angle, a contour blending, and an angle shading are the perfect brush trio for contouring your favorite formulas. They apply a seamless blend of contours to the most flawless finish, retailing for $52. I'm sorry, $50. Now, I have a ton of LaRousse brushes, and I'm a big fan of them, but I actually have all 3 of these brushes. I just have them with either the black or the blue handles, not the pink ones. So I'm going to drop that in an upcoming giveaway just because I really don't need another set of brushes. But I will say it is a very good brand of brushes. The fibers are very soft. They are a silicone. They're a synthetic fiber, so no animal cruelty, which is great. And they do blend on creams and powders really beautifully. Next, from KVD Cosmetics, this is the XO Lip Gloss. Retailing for $19. Don't like gloss, neither do we until now. You know we're all about being bold, high pigment, and high performance, so we're doing gloss our way. XO Lip Gloss is more pigment than other sheer glosses, and you won't find any gritty shimmer here. The high impact extra shine will keep you swiping. And it's got our KVD signature creme brulee flavor and an ultra creamy, comfortable wear that even our vegan friends can indulge in. So I am hit or miss on most glosses, but this does look like a nice color. I know I don't really have anything on, but we're going to try this on today anyway. Definitely feels very nice, definitely tastes very nice. I feel like the pigment is good, but I would definitely put it on over a liner. It's still pretty subtle, so I will say even though there's a ton of pigment, it's a really great color because it doesn't look like you've got a ton on, which is typically what I go for in a gloss because I like topping it on anything. And the last item out of the box comes from the brand Base Blue. This is actually something that I have used several boxes of because they've sent me this a few times. This is the Dry and Wet Dual Action Facial Wipes, ready to go towelettes that whisk away face and eye makeup without irritation. The dry wipes foam up once activated with water to gently remove excess oils and slough off dead skin cells. Each individually wrapped wipe can be used as a pair for double cleansing to take off heavy-duty makeup after an evening out, retailing for $21. In here, you'll see there are blue and orange wipes. The day wipes are really just a cleanser, whereas the night wipes are your makeup remover. They are fantastic. I have spoken about them many, many times on my channel, and definitely happy to get more of them because it has been a while since I had them. 10 out of 10 recommend. All in, this box had a retail value of $238, which for the $39 price point is definitely a great value. When I like to look at these and I want to know if the box is worth it, I always ask, would I be better off taking 40 bucks and going to Ulta and Sephora, or would I be better off with the box? And with the 3 products that I definitely will be using again, and the other 2 that I liked, or well, enough to want to try, or these I know I like, I just don't need extras. Definitely worth it. The only product I don't love is the gripping primer, but that's just something that didn't work for my skin. And now that I'm saying it out loud, I haven't used this since I lived in New York, so probably something I should try again. Anyway, as always, let me know your thoughts down below. I would love to hear it, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!